Hey, hi guys. Today we are going to see about the topic called cryptocurrency. Okay, and how does cryptocurrency works? So before going into the topic of cryptocurrency, so I want to tell you that cryptocurrency is not a crypto. Crypto is not a cryptocurrency. Okay, because the crypto refers to cryptography. Crypto refers to cryptography. It doesn't refers to cryptocurrency. Also, I want to tell you that I have made a separate blog in this topic 2-3 days blog before about the same topic. So I'm going to refer the same article which I have been published earlier. So I have notes with my hand. So I'm going to refer through the video what is cryptocurrency. Now we can see what is cryptocurrency. Crypto refers to various encryption algorithm. So crypt, it's actually hidden information. Okay, so currency in the sense like money used to exchange and all the purchasing of all the goods, that is like a currency. Okay, crypt, you know that crypt refers to various encryption algorithm. Currency is like money used to daily we are using na, so going for shopping and all those things, that is actually the money currency. Okay, so there is a cryptocurrency. You got it right point, right? So here I already told you that crypto is not cryptocurrency. Then what does crypto mean? Crypto means cryptography. Okay, it refers to cryptography. Okay, what is cryptography? Cryptography is actually a science of keeping an information secret and safe. Okay, science of keeping an information secret and safe. Okay, by converting a plain text into an unintended recipient cannot able to understand. Okay, you got my point. For the best example is WhatsApp. Say for an example, if I am sending a message to my friend or my colleague in the sense, right? So you can see a message over there. These messages are encrypted, right? So whatever the message I am sending from my mobile to that person mobile, so I can able to send the message the written format, and the person who is reading the text, he can able to read what message I have sent to him, right? So if an hacker or intruder is coming in middle in the sense, like he cannot able to read what the message we have been having a conversation with us. Okay, that is what encryption refers to. Okay, that cannot able to read. So what is cryptocurrency? Now come to the topic. So cryptocurrency is, that is actually a cryptography just over. Okay, so what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is actually a digital coin, digital currency. Okay, you cannot able to touch and feel. You can able to only enjoy by spending or investing your money through some other third party application, and you can able to have it in your digital wallet. Not able to, you can able to spend like how we spend money, how we can spend like money and dollars and all, like you can be able to spend like that. It is actually a digital money. Okay, understood that. So it is secured by cryptography technique. Okay, so here cryptocurrency is actually a digital payment system that doesn't rely on any banks to verify transaction. So for an example, if you are sending any money in the sense, like we need a bank to verify, because bank acts as a centralized system here, and because bank used to verify our transaction, right? We have everything recorded in the bank. But in this cryptocurrency, there is no centralized network available, because it's decentralized in nature. Okay, there is no banks. So that is what, so here it is using a peer-to-peer system, peer-to-peer communication system, or peer-to-peer system. So anyone can send and receive the payments. You got my point? So what is cryptocurrency? So cryptocurrency is a digital currency. It is secured by cryptographic. Okay, it's a digital payment system. Digital payment system doesn't rely on any banks to verify transactions. Okay, and it is a peer-to-peer system. Anyone can send and receive money or payments. Okay, so how does cryptocurrency works? So you will be having a lot of questions in your mind, right? So how does cryptocurrency works? Cryptocurrency works with the help of blockchain technology. So what is blockchain? So how does blockchain technology works? So see, or I will make it very clear. So what is the term blockchain, right? Just split it down, block and chain. Okay, block in the sense like it's a block, something block. Remember that in your mind. Okay, chain, you know what is chain, like chain network and all those things. So what are the payments it's happening in the cryptocurrency uh, place? That is like it will be stored in the form of like in a box. Say for an example, you have a box. It is like you are filling out one or two notebooks in the box, in the sense like it is like if the box capacity is like 10 notebooks, in the sense like you can able to fill it with a normal box with the 10 notebooks, in the sense like it takes 10 10 notebooks to fill, right? After 10 has been completed, in the sense like you will go for the new box, right? So here you can think it as a payment, like payment transaction. Any person, not only me, any person in the world, say for an example, in a single second, how many transaction has been happened, say. So each transaction will be stored in the block, okay, the block network. So the block will store all the records. Like once the block has been covered everything, every transaction, automatically another block will be created. Okay, once the second block has been filled with all the transaction details, okay, it has all the details of transaction, okay, where it gone, which from which id to which id gone, everything will be encrypted, and we can see the hash, the encrypted crypt text, okay, like numeric text of the number format. So these will be stored in the block format. So this block format will be joined with the help of chain network. So block will be there, block will be there, block will be there. In between there is a chain. Okay. So this is actually interlinked with the all the other nodes. This is actually decentralized in nature. It doesn't rely on any other banks. Okay. This is called this is how the cryptocurrency works with the help of blockchain technology. You got the point of blockchain technology. This is actually a blockchain. So the cryptocurrency works with the help of blockchain technology. Okay. So here the transaction which is happening here are recorded into the block, as I told you, and time will be stamped. What the time has been made, everything will be recorded here, and two-factor authentication will be happen once the transaction is initiated. Say for an example, if you're initiating a transaction, then it's like the third-party application which you are want to buy and sell your cryptocurrency will ask for your username and password and also for your SMS, like to verify your OTP. This will be happened for security purposes. Okay, and as I told you earlier, cryptocurrency are not owned by any one party, not owned by any single party and any one party. It is owned by many party. Okay, so cryptocurrencies are decentralized in nature, as I told you. Okay, so this is called cryptocurrency, and this is called this is what how does cryptocurrency works. Okay, this is how the cryptocurrency works. And before going to this, you want to know types of three types of cryptographic technique, not cryptocurrency, cryptographic technique. The first is symmetric key cryptography, and second is hash function, and third is public key cryptography. So we are going to see only about the public key cryptography. In the public key cryptography, they uses two key. One is public key and private key. Public key is freely distributed, in the sense like we can able to send it to any person who are transferring the money to us. So we can able to freely distribute the public key. But the private key, it has to keep secret. Okay, it has to keep secret. And public key uses for encryption, in the sense like private key uses for decryption purposes. Okay, this is actually the cryptographic technique, public key and cryptography. Okay, so this is the thing we are discussing. And before going to the end of the topic, you want to know which is the first cryptocurrency evolved in the market. If you know, type in the comment box. I will tell you. The first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. I know many people have been guessed it right. So actually Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin was invented in 2008, and in 2009 it came to in market for public use. Okay, so it was invented by a pseudonym person called Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, it's actually a pseudonym. We still know the person is, who the real face of the began this uh, creator of the Bitcoin. No one has been come out of the world and show its face to the world. Okay, so it's actually a pseudonym. Okay, he's a founder or he's a creator of the Bitcoin, Satoshi. And I will tell you, and before ending this, we'll see about the most and important top 10 bitcoins available, or like crypto coins available in the market, cryptocurrency available in the market. One is Bitcoin, and second is Ethereum, and third is Binance Coin, and fourth is Tether, and fifth Cardano, and sixth XRP Ripple, and seventh Litecoin, and eighth Internet Computer, and ninth Litecoin, and 10th Stellar. You can see Dogecoin here, Dogecoin and Stellar. So like many coins are available there in the market, like Matic is there, and many coins are there in the market. So my next topic is like, so I'm planning to put a video on how to buy a cryptocurrency. Like, say for an example, I can start with a how to buy a Dogecoin from your home, how to buy a Dogecoin from, or buy a cryptocurrency from your mobile app, and how to do it. I will explain you. I'll make a separate video in the next video. So until then, bye. See you guys.